Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating discovery about the interconnectedness of ocean bacteria. It's totally mind-blowing.
I'm all ears. What's the big reveal? Is it about, like some new species?
Not exactly a new species, but a completely new understanding of how existing ones interact. We're talking about Prochlorococcus, the most abundant photosynthetic organism on Earth, responsible for a huge chunk of our atmosphere's oxygen. Trillions upon trillions of these tiny cells.
Wow, so what's the connection? Are they, forming colonies?
Better than colonies. Researchers found they're connected by nanotubes, tiny bridges of cell membrane that allow them to share nutrients and other resources. Think of it as a massive, underwater bacterial internet.
Nanotubes. That's incredible. I always pictured bacteria as solitary creatures. This changes everything, right?
Absolutely. This challenges the fundamental idea of bacteria as isolated entities. The study, published recently, shows these nanotubes connecting not just Prochlorococcus cells, but also with Synechococcus, another common ocean bacterium. They've even observed this in wild seawater samples.
So they're actively exchanging stuff? Like what kind of stuff?
Exactly. Experiments show the transfer of things like amino acids, enzymes, even toxins. It's a complex exchange network, and it's not just a one-off thing. This is a pretty consistent observation.
But why? Prochlorococcus gets energy from photosynthesis, right? What do they need to share?
That's a great question. They have surprisingly small genomes, meaning they lack the genes to produce all the nutrients they need. The nanotubes provide a way to efficiently exchange these missing metabolites with their neighbors. It's a form of cooperation, a symbiotic relationship.
Ingenious. So this network could impact things like oxygen production and carbon sequestration?
Potentially, yes. The scale of this interconnectedness is enormous. We're talking about a significant portion of the planet's photosynthetic activity. The implications for climate change and ocean ecosystems are huge and still being explored.
This is truly revolutionary. It makes you wonder what other hidden networks are out there, right? What other assumptions about bacteria might need revising?
Precisely. This research is a game changer. It highlights the complexity and sophistication of even the smallest life forms. The ocean isn't just a soup of individual cells. It's a vast, interconnected network of communication and cooperation.
It's amazing how much we still have to learn. This completely shifts our understanding of the ocean's ecosystem. Thanks for sharing this incredible discovery.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this as fascinating as we did. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye-bye.